day. We're here at the beautiful beach in Siquijor Island. This is Salagdoong Beach. Salagdoong Beach is discovered almost 20 years. I live here in Siquijor, but I came here twice a month. But I love this beach, Salagdoong Beach. Now is 5 o'clock, so getting close. Some people going out. Yeah, a jumping cliff. Jumping cliff. Now low tide, so the stone is, you see, it's a white sand beach here. Okay, come here. Salagdoong Beach.